So this is an example of a virtual classroom. They were a fifth grade virtual classroom that was working on building tiny houses. But the caveat with this particular module is that they have to create the tiny house to scale, but they also have to make it accessible for somebody who has physical disabilities. So you're going to see in a moment a video of a student that is going to share that. But in addition to actually building the model of the tiny house, they had to create an advertisement. And this is Heidi's advertisement for her tiny house. They had to do some research as well, looking at what is the general cost, what would the payments be. So you can see a lot of that literacy, math, science integration into these different projects. I'll just read this one for you. She says, you should buy a tiny house because it is good for disabled people, because it doesn't have stairs for people in wheelchairs. If it did have stairs, it would be difficult for people with disabilities to get up. So if they want, they can have everything in the bottom so they don't have any difficulties trying to do things by themselves. Also, this ad is good for disabled people because a tiny house has everything down. So there is no stairs. They could have a room, bathroom, kitchen, and other things on the bottom, and also the dining room and everything a normal house has. This last reason you should read this ad is because people that have disabilities can buy a tiny house, and it's good because not only does it not have stairs, it also doesn't cost a lot of money. So it is good. It would be good for anyone. And if you click to the next slide, you see another advertisement by another student who gives you the average price and wrote this ad as well.